one of the most important aspects of the classroom is how teachers will create a positive environment. Positive teacher-student interactions are the first step in this direction. Positive teacher-student interactions are essential for a healthy classroom. The teacher sets the example for the students, and the way he or she behaves in the classroom will be the model that students will follow. Teachers should be enthusiastic, showing students they are excited. Exaggerated hand gestures, raised eyebrows, and a large smile let students know that you, as the teacher, want to be there. Classroom rules provide the teacher with the foundation to create and ensure positive teacher-student and student-student interactions for the year.
I am Miss Morris, and this is English and Language Arts. So today we're going to start off with class rules. So I want you guys to write this down. These are going to be our rules for the upcoming year. Number one is come to class prepared. What do you think I mean by prepared?
With all our class.
Yes. Okay, so come to class prepared. Number two is respect the rights and property of others. All right? Make sure you're writing that down. Respect the rights and property of others. It's going to make our classroom better. Number three is listen when someone...
I'm sorry. Rights
and property of others. Number three, listen when someone is talking or presenting. Okay, so we don't want a lot of people talking at once, only one person at a time. That means if I'm talking, you're listening. Number four is be productive and stay on task. When I ask you to do such things, do it. This is going to help our classroom move more smoothly, and it's going to help us get through the semester and be able to have a lot of fun. And number five is follow instructions and routines. We're going to have a routine for our classroom. Daily routines, we'll have weekly routines, and we'll have monthly routines. And so make sure that you stay on top of those when you're prepared. All right? Okay, it's going to be a great semester.
Creating a seating chart that marks where each student sits can help improve teacher-student interactions in the classroom. With a seating chart, a teacher can learn and remember students' names faster in order to establish meaningful relationships. Conferencing with students one-on-one helps show them that their work and them are important to you as their teacher.
Okay guys, as you are working on your essays, we're going to start one-on-one conferencing. And so if I call you over to my desk, go on ahead and come over, and we're going to work on your essay and deal with a couple of problems that you guys might be having. Does that sound good? Alright, okay, y'all go ahead and write. Lindsay, would you come over here and conference with me? Take this and go ahead and work on that. That sounds great. You're doing a great job. Thank you.
Teacher-student interactions can be improved by having students regard grading as positive. While grading students' work, grade according to the number they got correct instead of wrong.
Bradley,
Yes.
could you turn around, please?
Yeah.
Okay, we're talking about Lord of the Flies, not Lord of the Rings, excuse me. So with Lord of the Flies, we're in chapter 4 now, and so a lot has happened. The boys are starting to get disruptive and not paying attention, and a lot is going on. And so tomorrow in class, we're going to continue on. We're going to do some in-class reading on the subject. Brad,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
would you please listen? Thank you. Tomorrow we're going to do in-class reading, and then we're going to write a little bit about what we've read in class. Oh, there's the bell. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. See, Brad, can you stay for a moment?
Yes.
I'd like to talk with you.
Another effective way to encourage positive teacher-student interactions in the class is to discipline students by dealing with the problem apart from the class. Pull the student aside after class and make it clear that their behavior is the issue, not the student themselves.
Good grades. And so I don't think this is part of who you are, but this behavior is going to have to change because I need you to listen so that you'll know what to do when we're in class tomorrow. Okay, thank you.
Fostering positive student-student interactions in the classroom is crucial for student learning. One of the best ways to do so is through collaborative learning in the classroom. Collaborative learning allows students to work together to solve problems and challenge each other cognitively.
Class, today we're going to divide up into groups to work on the William Golding biography questions that you had from William Golding's biography that we went over in class yesterday. And so I'm going to divide you into groups of 2, and you're going to work on these sheets together, all right? Hand out your worksheets for the William Golding biography questions. You two can work together in a group, and you two can work together as well. And make sure you cover every question and you both write the answers down on your own sheet, all right?
Thank you.
So, do you know anything about it?
Well, I wrote 40 flies. What do you think about the book?
Having students familiar with the daily schedule for the class will help encourage positive student-to-student interactions. Students will know how to behave in the class towards each other and the teacher.
Class, we're going to work on our grammar mini lesson now, and so today we are studying verbals, okay? So verbals are different types of verb phrases that we use in a sentence, and they help modify.
A teacher can encourage positive student-to-student interactions by showing students how to respond when criticized or when they make a mistake. When teachers own up to their own mistakes, they show students that it's okay and encourage learning in the classroom.
Go over the other one when we get to it in the book tomorrow, okay? And so I'm going to write a couple of sentences on the board, and we'll work with those with that. So, okay, can anyone tell me where the verbal is in this sentence?
I think you spelled restaurant wrong.
Oh my goodness, oh, you're so right, I did. Okay, wow, well, that happens sometimes. We all make mistakes. Can anyone tell me how to spell restaurant correctly? Do you know?
R-E-S-T-A-U-R-A-N-T.
One way to encourage positive student-to-student interaction in the class, as well as teacher-to-student interaction, is to use divergent questions instead of convergent questions. Divergent questions do not have a yes or no answer, but allow students to really think and dig into the issue at hand. Using these questions encourages discussion in the class. Having students work together in a group encourages positive student interaction in the classroom. Positive teacher-student interactions and student-student interactions are crucial to encourage a positive environment in the classroom.